Hello students, today we are solve all problems regarding entropy. Our last topic is entropy and we have already learned all formulas what is the entropy formulas, conditional formula, joint and continuous formulas and the mutual formulas. And today we will solve the question in this topic. So let's get started. Show that the entropy of the source with the following problems distribution is, and how we can solve in that how problems. We just using in this 2 minus n plus 2 n power 2 power n si s1 s2 s3, and we have that problem. First of all, we will take a formula of entropy. Our entropy formula is h m k is equal to 1 pk log 2 and pk. We will just putting in this equation in this formula like that p1 and log 2 p1 plus p2 log 1 by that is we just taking in this formula in same as same as our statement, like our statement is like that, so that's why we are writing our formula like that. So we just putting in this term. So in our formula 1 by 2 log 2, 1 by 4 log 2, 4 4 is here instant, we can say in like that to keep our 2, 1 by 8 and log 2 8, we can say in here in a 2 to keep our 3 and the space 1 2 and log 2 and n. And how we can solve in that, we just taking to keep our 2, so our 2 is came in here, so our log 2 by 2 is, we can say, is a 1. It's happened is what is happened, log 2 by 2 is happened is equal to 1. So if this power 2 is came in here, so what will become, it will become in like that 2 की power 4 and 3 and here 8. What is 8 in here, 2 2 of the power 3 and third 3 is came in here 3 to power 8 and again in same and 2 n. We just solve in that with the help of scientific calculator. We just solve in that with the help of scientific calculator, and this is came in our side. And how we can solve in that, we just solve out in that 1 and 2 and added 2 by 1 by 2 and plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8. We will take in 8, and after that when we will solve in this equation, so we will get that. Okay, it's our first question. Our second question is what that, our second question is that the source empty 3 meshes with probability p1 is equal to 0, 7 p2 0 2 and p3 0 1. Calculate source entropy, maximum entropy. And we our in this our question, we will solve in these things: source entropy, maximum entropy, and source efficiency and redundancy. Source entropy, we know what's the formula of source entropy. Source entropy's formula is that H3K is equal to 2 P2 log 2 and 1 by P2. And H, and we just putting our this statement in this formula, and we will get what H. H is our is the source entropy. How we can solve in our max entropy? What is max entropy? Maximum entropy is H x H max. H max, what the formula is that? It the formula is log 2 and log 10 by n by log 10 the power 3. And how we can solve in that? We can solve in that in like that
we know about what's the log 10 की power 3. Why we are taking in 3? Because we have propagation, we have a 3, so that's why maximum we have a 3. You don't get it what I want to say you. Next we have a probability number we have here in a 3. That's why we are taking in here is 3. Here we are taking in 3 in here. For that we know already what is our h. H is what is in our here 1.58. When we will solve in this equation in here, so we will getting in that. Okay, and what is the source? Source is H entropy and maximum entropy. We know already what is that in our H. We already solved. We have solved in that, and H max we have also match X. So we just sort out in that. When you will able to solve out in this term, when you have scientific calculator, with the help of that you can solve easily in this questions and in all terms. And why is the source? Source is 1 by infinity, not infinity, efficiency source is equal to 1 minus 0.75. We have got in that.